back.
Did you really just interrupt my video?
No. It was the end.
Close the door, please.
You want to film again?
Yes.
Oh, gosh.
Hi guys, Dalana here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am uber excited for this. This is a video that I have been waiting on filming for you guys. It took my package a little bit of time to get here. I actually could have just purchased it in stores instead of waiting on it to ship, but that's okay. That's neither here nor there. We are here now. This is going to be on the new JUVIA'S Place Wahala II Collection palette. I did get my hands on the full collection. If you guys are interested, we will be going over a look as well as a little review on the whole entire collection. So we'll be doing a demo and a review in this video. There are no swatches, sorry guys, but don't turn away from the video, okay? Because this look is everything and I need y'all to know how everything, I go over how everything swatched, or not swatched, but how everything works, how it blends, the color payoff, all of that good stuff in this video. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be a part of the Unit Tribe. Please go ahead and follow me on Instagram at DalanaB_. I can be found there. And in the meantime, in between time, let me stop rambling. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright guys, so as I said, we are about to play in the new JUVIA'S Place Wahala II collection that they released, and I have not opened it or anything like that. I did go ahead and prime my eyes and everything using the JUVIA'S base so we can get that out the way. Nobody got time to be wasting time on that, okay? So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this nice box, this yellow box, and it just says JUVIA'S Place. And like I told you guys, I have not opened it or anything, so I'm opening with you all. I do have the original Wahala palette, and I did do a look for that for you guys. And if you have not seen that, go ahead and check that out. I will have it linked so that you can get to it very quickly, but watch this one first before you go to that one, okay girl? All right, so y'all, this is what it looks like. It says JUVIA'S Place Wahala II Collection, and when you open it, this is what we have. This is so pretty. So pretty. So you have the actual palette, which I think this one may be a little bit bigger than the original Wahala. I'm not sure. And then you have two lip glosses here. So what we are going to do, actually, let me just, the Petty Betty and Shikawa are the lip gloss names. And then, of course, the Wahala II palette. So we are going to indulge in everything because I'm excited, y'all. I hope y'all are, because I'm excited. I don't know what kind of look we're going for today, but let's just go ahead and open up this palette. Again, like I told y'all, I have not opened this. I'm opening it up with y'all, and this is what it looks like. Where's my other Wahala palette? I'm not exactly sure where the other one is to kind of give you guys a side by side, but that's okay. That's neither here nor there. But this is what it looks like. And then, okay, they went ham with the blues in here, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. There's a lot of foil shades, some shimmer shades, a few mattes, and y'all, I'm not mad at this at all. Like, oh my God, I love the names of them. There's Fake, Fame, Wicked, Goals, Too Much, Lit, Lust, Dope, Fury, Bold, Money, Rage, Ambitious, ASAP. Oh, y'all. Okay. Let's just go ahead. We're going to do a fall look, y'all. Because the last time I think I debuted the Wahala palette, I did a blue look. I think it was, because I think this was during the summertime. But this time we doing fall, okay? So we are going to start with this. And I'm hoping that this is not, I want to say this is brown, but we are going to actually start with this row here because this row is just giving me fall vibes. So we are going to do every color in that row. I also have here some new brushes from Morphe. So we are going to be using some new brushes. I prepped my eyes with the P. Louise base. I'm not sure if I told you guys that or not. But yeah, we prepped our eyes already, and I am just going to start with this look, okay? All right, so if you guys are interested in this whole look, this is just going to be the eye look. If you guys are interested in this makeup application, I did film a video for you guys using all high-end products. This is my everyday look using all high-end products. If you guys are interested in that, it will be up a little bit later, but be on the lookout for that. So let's just go ahead. I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit. Okay, I brought y'all in a lot of it, but that's okay. So we are going to, like I said, we're going to use that whole roll, and I am going to kind of start off using, let's see, we're going to use a Morphe. No, I want to start off using a Morphe. I'm having a hard time picking a brush, y'all, because I want to make sure. Let's see. We're going to start off using the Morphe M535 brush, and I'm going to go in with this lighter shade here for my transition shade, and this is in the color Lit. And we are going to start off with this color, and I'm just going to, first of all, let's just talk about how I am digging it in this pan, and there is no fallout. Like, let's just talk about that for just a second. So for that, I can appreciate. Now, we are going to take this color, which is probably not going to show up too much, and we are going to use this as our transition shade, and I'm just going to pack that all in the eye. So far, just because, like I said, this color is for a transition shade, like, so far, I like the formula of this color. Yeah, so far I like the formula of this color. I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm going to go into this orange shade here, and this is the color Wasted. I'm going to go in with this orange color here, and I am just going to kind of put this right underneath. There is a little bit of fallout with that one, but that's okay. I'm going to put this right underneath that Lit color. And I probably should have started with this one, but that's okay. So I'm just going to put this right underneath, like I said. Color payoff. I mean, it's Juvia's Place. We all know how Juvia's Place does when it comes to their color payoff. So that, I'm not shocked. I mean, it's pretty, they've been pretty consistent with their color payoff, their formulation and everything. And a lot of people were saying that they were having issues with getting their Juvia's Place packages. I've never had any issues with getting my packages from Juvia's Place. Now, I will say that I did not receive a tracking number from them, and it just kind of said that they were waiting on a tracking number, but I did end up just getting mine once I just out the blue. Like, it didn't update or anything, so that may be the problem, but I haven't had any issues with my Juvia's Place packaging or packages getting to me. All right, so we've got that orange shade, or we've got Wasted where I want it to be. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change brushes. I'm going to use a little bit of a denser brush. This is a Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to go into ASAP, which is a little bit darker. It's a dark brown color, and I'm going to take that to kind of deepen up that crease. I hope this is brown, y'all, and not purple, because y'all know I'm allergic to purple shadows. Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Did y'all see what that? Oh my God. So I'm going to, because this is so pigmented, I'm going to just concentrate this right on the outer area and kind of just sweep what's left into the inner eye. Ooh, I love that. I love that. Yes, Juvia's Place. All right, so now I'm going to go in to kind of blend everything together, or just kind of blend out that top because I don't want it to be too harsh. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M519 brush, and I'm just going to blend this so that it can be seamless. All right. Now, I'm really trying to debate on if I want to cut this crease or not. Like, I really don't want to, but I don't know. So let's Let's just see. All right, I'm gonna start off using Period. And this is like a darker orange shade. So I'm gonna start off with Period, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. I'm not gonna cut it just yet because I want to see. Y'all. Do y'all, I don't know if y'all are seeing this or not. This is with a dry brush, no cutting of the crease, just straight application. Y'all, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Oh my God, JUVIA'S plays. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow, y'all. Like, oh, my wow. Y'all, do y'all see that? Oh my God. Okay. So because I told y'all we was going to use all those colors, I'm going to go into 419. And that's just this lighter orange shade here. And I am just going to use that same brush that I was using. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and I'm just going to put it right in the front just to kind of give it a little bit of a pop. Not too much though, because I like the way that looked. Y'all, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Juvia, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, okay? All right, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do what I did at the top of my eye, do it at the bottom, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to do the lips. So let's just go ahead and speed right on through this. All right, so I went ahead and I did everything that I did at the top. I went ahead and did it at the bottom, but I want to go in, I don't know why, but this Fame right here, which is like this iridescent, really pretty color. And I'm going to pop that right in my inner tear duct. I don't know. I just want to see what it's going to look like. Okay, that's very, very light. I thought it was going to be something else, but I'm not mad at it. It's almost like a little frost. It just gives it a pop of color. It's very glittery, I will say that. And I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but there is some fallout from that color, but that is okay. We are just going to take a brush and we are just going to knock that out of the way. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply some lashes. These are some, what are these? These are just some lashes that I got from my local beauty supply store. All right, so I got my falsies on and everything. So now we're going to go ahead and move to the lips. So these are the lippies that that came in the collection or whatever. And the first one is Petty Betty. And it's just this cute little small mini pink lippy. And then this one is Shakara. Or Shakara, I don't know how you say that, but this is like a lighter pink shade. So I'm just going to give you both, and I'm gonna go in using my Pitch. Let's see, this is, first, you know what, I'm gonna give them to you guys with nothing on. So I'm gonna start with the lightest one first, and this is gonna be Shakara or Shakara. Oof, okay, so that comes out extremely thick. Oh wow, it comes out with so much product. Oh wow, okay. It feels good going on, but I'm definitely going to use a liner for this. It is extremely thick coming out. But it is very thin when you put it on. So a little bit will go a long way with this. Let me go ahead and y'all, because I look crazy. So that is what this one looks like. I feel like if I would have put the liner on first, it would have come out a little bit better. But, I mean, it's a pretty color. It can be a little bit bright if you're not into this kind of thing. So it can be a little bit intimidating, but it is a really nice color. All right, moving on to the next one is Petty Betty. I went ahead and prepped my lips because that other one kind of scared me a little bit. So I'm just going to be ready for this one. And this is the more pinker one. Okay. So this one was a little bit, it's thick as well, but it's a little bit more liquidy than the other one. I'm not really sure I don't really like the applicator and everything and how this is going, but this one is a lot better than the other one as far as application goes. It's a little different. It's it's a lot more opaque than the previous one. This one is giving me more of like lip gloss vibes. And the other one is giving me like sticky, thick, I don't know. This is what this one is giving me. So I kind of like this one a little bit better with this eye look, but I'm not mad at either one once you kind of figure out, you know, how to use it and whatnot, because that other one is so thick. That's kind of different for Juvia's Place. I don't know. I don't know exactly how I feel about it. I'm not mad at it, but I don't know how I feel about it. But yeah, this is going to be the completed look on the new Wahala II palette. Yeah, guys, so about thoughts, okay? So this did retail for about $54, I want to say, the whole entire collection. As far as this palette goes, honey, listen, this palette, y'all know I'm supportive of anything Juvia's Place does, okay? So I am not mad at it. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So it has 30 different colors in the pan, so that is not bad at all. They are very vibrant, as you guys can see. They are very pigmented. We all know how Juvia's Place gets down. Let me back y'all up a little bit because I realize y'all are still kind of close. Okay, I think that's better. All right. So, like I was saying, I think that we all know how Juvia's Place rolls, you know. I would highly recommend you getting the palette. Do I think you need the full collection? I would say no, but I mean, I purchased it just because I am a fan of Juvia's Place. I don't really know how I like these little liquid lippies. I'm not sure. I mean, they're cute, they're small, but as far as like the application goes and the consistency of the product, I don't really know how I feel about it. But I mean, they are very pigmented, I can tell you that. Especially that first one. This second one, I am starting to kind of, the more I look at it, I'm starting to like really feel it and really like it. You would just have to kind of play it up using a lip liner. So I chose a brown lip liner. You could choose whatever lip liner that you prefer, like, or whatever the case may be. But overall, the entire collection, I mean, the presentation, the way it looks and all of that, I am not mad at it. Juvia's Place always does a really good job with like their designs of their palettes and whatnot. It's just really nice to look at. I also like the fact that it came with this case here, so I can just put it back and everything could be together in one case. I love how it flaps and everything. So I'm like a stickler for detail. Like I pay attention to detail. I'm a very detailed person, so I honestly appreciate that. So yeah, guys, I would give it a thumbs up for the palette itself. The lippies, they're still up in the air with me, but you go out and purchase them if you are interested in them. If you have already purchased it, let me know down in the comments what you think about it. If you are thinking about purchasing, what will you think? I mean, what will you be grabbing? Will you be grabbing just the palette? Will you be grabbing the whole collection? Will you just be grabbing the lippies? Like, let me know what y'all out there purchasing and whatnot. But yeah, guys, I'm starting to ramble. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe channel. What is happening? Can I talk today? Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can be a part of the Unitribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you do not miss an upload every single time it goes up. If you're not following me on social media, I can be found at DalanaB_ on the gram. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.